The Hyundai Tucson has experienced several recurring problems across different model years, with the most significant issues affecting engines, transmissions, and electrical systems. The most serious problems involve the Theta 2 engine found in 2010 through 2019 models. Manufacturing defects led to premature engine failure, with metal debris contaminating the oil system. Oil consumption problems affect both 2.0-liter and 2.4-liter engines. Worn piston rings and cylinder walls cause excessive oil burning, requiring frequent top-ups between service intervals. Newer models from 2022 onward feature dual-clutch transmissions that experience jerky shifting and clutch overheating, particularly problematic in stop-and-go traffic conditions. Electrical system faults include infotainment malfunctions with frozen screens and connectivity issues, plus anti-lock brake system module problems that have led to fire hazard recalls. These problems primarily affect older models, with engine failure rates reaching 3.2% in 2011 through 2016 models. However, recent models show significant improvement, with failure rates dropping to less than 1%. Hyundai has implemented comprehensive solutions to address Tucson problems. For engine-related issues in older models, the company provides extended warranties covering up to 10 years or 120,000 miles, with full engine replacements when necessary. Dual-clutch transmission problems in newer models are addressed through software updates and clutch replacements under warranty. The ABS module fire risk has been resolved through comprehensive recalls with free module replacements for affected vehicles. Prevention is equally important as solutions. A proper maintenance schedule can prevent many common problems from occurring in the first place. Critical maintenance intervals include oil changes every 5,000 miles using manufacturer-approved oil, transmission fluid changes every 60,000 miles for dual-clutch systems, and regular filter and fluid inspections. Early detection of problems is crucial for preventing major repairs. Recognizing warning signs can save thousands in repair costs. Key warning signs include unusual engine noises like knocking or grinding, harsh transmission shifting with delayed engagement, and dashboard warning lights for check engine or ABS systems. Hyundai has made significant improvements in recent years to address these historical problems and prevent future issues. Recent model years show dramatic improvements. Enhanced quality control has reduced engine failure rates from 3.2% to just 0.9%. Over-the-air software updates now allow remote resolution of many issues without dealership visits. Customer satisfaction has increased from 52% to 68%, while engine failure rates have dropped significantly. These improvements demonstrate Hyundai's commitment to addressing past issues and preventing future problems. Regular maintenance remains the best prevention strategy. Oil changes every 5,000 miles, transmission service every 60,000 miles, and staying alert to warning signs will help ensure your Tucson runs reliably for years to come.